Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Selo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. So guys, on Sunday I reported that gospel singer Sipho Makhabane had gotten into a serious hijacking and was reportedly kidnapped, and his car and all his belongings taken from him. Now online blogs and newspapers reported as the singer retold his ordeal that he actually had to go through. Now, the hijacking happened last week on Monday, you guys. Over the past week, it was a Prophet Bushiri's birthday party in Malawi, and Sipho Makhabane has always been a proud supporter and member of the church, so he was invited by Major One to come and sing on his birthday. Now, Sipho took to the stage to detail what actually happened regarding the horrific hijacking that he had gone through, you guys. So he thanked the Lord Almighty for keeping him safe and revealed that he had lost his car and all that he had on him, you guys. So up next, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert a little bit of that speech. But before I do that, do make sure that you subscribe, you like, and you also share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one.
All the dignitaries, in the wonderful name of Jesus Christ. Prophet, the devil didn't want me to be here. I was hijacked on Monday. This Monday they took everything, my cars, everything. But today I'm standing here and I say, He brought me